Wag ka nang bumalik sa Pilipinas. No, wag ka, papapatay ka ng pamilya ko. You know what's wrong with me? May lupus ako, Nikki.
Oh my God! Madam!
That's why. Gusto mo bumalik sa Pilipinas? Dare to step in this country and you will be there.
Madam.
No, Nico, you are making my son lose his mother any day. I do not have control of this disease, and I am allergic to almost all the medication na kakailanganin. 6 months ago, Nico, I was okay. Pinalabas mo, umaarte ako pag naghihina ako.
Madam, hindi po.
Tumigil ka, Pete. I am telling you this. Step foot in the Philippines and you will be thrown into jail, Nico. You stole me from my sons. No. And, Nico, alam mo, I'm going to Singapore. Pag nakuha ko yung diagnosis, you know me.